Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Finding court records in Wisconsin can seem complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward once you know where to look. Whether you're doing a background check, researching a case, or are just curious, this guide will walk you through the primary methods for accessing public court information in the Badger State. The most important tool you need to know about is the Wisconsin Circuit Court Access website, often called WCCA or CCAP. This is the state's official online portal for circuit court records. Circuit courts handle most major cases, including felonies, misdemeanors, civil lawsuits, divorces, and probate matters. You can search WCCA for free by a person's name, a business name, or a case number. When you search, you'll see a list of cases matching your criteria. Clicking on a case will show you a summary, which includes the names of the parties involved, the attorneys, the case type, key dates, and a list of actions and documents filed in the case. It's a fantastic starting point. However, it's crucial to understand that WCCA is an index, not a complete document library. You'll see what's been filed, but you usually can't download the actual documents directly from the site. So, how do you get copies of the actual documents, like a complaint or a judgment? For that, you'll need to contact the Clerk of Circuit Court in the specific county where the case was filed. You can find the contact information for each county clerk's office online. You can usually request copies in person, by mail, or sometimes by email. Be prepared to provide the case number, which you found on WCCA. There will likely be a small fee for copying and sometimes for the search itself, so it's a good idea to call ahead and ask about their procedures and costs. Now, what about smaller cases like traffic tickets or local ordinance violations? These are typically handled by municipal courts, and their records are not on WCCA. To find these, you need to identify the specific city, town, or village where the ticket was issued. Most municipal courts have their own websites, and many offer online record search and payment portals. If you can't find it online, you'll have to call the municipal court clerk directly. It's also important to know that WCCA does not include federal court cases. If you're looking for a bankruptcy case or a lawsuit involving federal law, you'll need to use the federal system called PACER, which stands for Public Access to Court Electronic Records. PACER has its own search system and fees. Lastly, for cases that have been appealed, you'll look at the Wisconsin Supreme Court and Court of Appeals. They have their own online access system, separate from the circuit courts, where you can search for appellate case information and documents. To recap, start with the Wisconsin Circuit Court Access website for most state-level cases. Use the case information you find there to request specific documents from the county's Clerk of Court. For traffic tickets, go directly to the specific municipal court. And for federal cases, use the PACER system. It might take a few steps, but the information is public and accessible. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you navigate the Wisconsin court system. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.